gonna go. I have weak arms, so. It's late. We're almost there. Oh my god.
Coffee that I have made, I'll get it for you.
Do you remember any of the lessons? Do you remember one and two and two?
What did you order? I basically want to know exactly. Hello. So today's a really good day. The lighting is like perfect to film this video. I'm really excited to show you guys the things I got from Garage. Of course, I got mainly basics and I absolutely love them. I've been wearing this shirt non-stop and I really like it. Like, I want it now in like all the colors if they had other colors. I love the length of it. I'm so done with cropped shirt, and this is not cropped. It just like ends perfectly at the waist, and I honestly knew I was gonna like it. So I got the exact same one in black, and I both got these in extra small, and it fits me perfectly. Such a nice staple to have, and I think that's one of the things I lack the most in my closet is just like staples. Just like a basic fleece boy shorts. I got this in white, and I also got this in a gray color. I really like them. However, I would mainly only wear this around the house because they're very baggy and oversized, so it's just like a very nice like loungewear piece, groceries, or just like walking my dogs. Also sent me this pair of shorts. I was not expecting this one to fit that well. It's size 024 and it really fits nicely on me. It's more on the higher waisted side, and I was seeing myself pair this with these beautiful cargo pants. I know they have a few cargo, like white cargo pants on Garage, but I wanted these ones exactly because they're so cute. I love when you can cinch in the waist with these. It fits very nicely, like low-waisted. It has just the perfect amount of pockets to give it some style, but not like overdone. It is more on the longer side, so if you're short like me, I'm 5'1", this is longer. However, I love my pants like super long. Then similarly, I got myself another white pair of bottoms. However, these ones are fleece sweatpants. Honestly, regret not getting more of these because they are so comfortable. Oh, this one I was really excited to get is just like a simple tube top that fits like a glove, and it comes with like ballerina sleeves, a pair of these socks, and I didn't really expect much from it, but they're very soft, like extremely soft pair of socks. They sent me a little set of like temporary tattoos. Last but not least, they sent me another Candier candle, and this one is Ditch the Boyfriend Kept the Cologne. I love their names. And previously I got the Girl You Need to Calm the Fuck Down, and I really like the scent. And these are from Candier. Highly recommend. I even have like their how it's called, the essential oil. I got it and I love it. I use it all the time if you reside in the US or in Canada, because shipping is free over $60. But yeah, that's about it. I really don't know what I'm gonna go do now, but I'll bring you guys along. Hello, so I'm gonna head to school. I was really lucky. I don't know, no one's really parking on the street today. I'm like kind of scared to get a ticket, but I should be allowed because you can park after a certain amount of time. Anyways, I'll try to bring you guys along. I look very different from yesterday, so I'm gonna get some weird stares, but I forgot to eat. I have to eat before I go to class. My clip, how cute is it? Freezing in my car. My class is soon. I'm just getting honest. I brought this lunch yesterday to school and I didn't have time to eat the whole day, so I brought it back home, and today I didn't have time to prepare lunch, so I brought it again, and I don't know, I feel like it turned bad. You want to be in it too?
No.
Suction pressure.
Good morning. So today is a very packed and long day. Usually I start late, but this morning I got an appointment for my roots because they're really they need to be done. But it happens that today is there's a really big snowstorm going on, and it was so hard just getting my car out, and I'm still debating how to get there. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, and after my hair appointment I have a quiz and I cannot miss it. I don't know what to do, guys. It's so stressful. Alright, I'll try to bring you guys along. It's funny, I actually brought a shovel with me in case I see a parking spot and I want to park there. I can shovel it. I don't know how that's gonna go. I have weak arms, so.
This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group.
I've got coffee that I have made. I'll get it for you.
Do you remember any of the lessons? Do you remember 1 and 2?
I have an exam at 1. I didn't study for it. Guys, you can't see my hair right now, but it's so pretty. I'll show you guys after. I'm going to school now because I have a quiz.
I'd actually kill you if you went to a podcast.
I do. Shut the fuck up. I'm flying to Boston. Nick, this is great.
Let's talk business. This fat bastard is trying to move in on Mauricio's business.
Throw me out now, it's like you never opened your door. You let me die.
It's so creepy how you dare, baby. We had make a plan. I am ready for a death. 어젯밤 적어놨어. 일단 whatever you do. Sometimes life is just too much. I know. Don't miss the business out of mind. 떠날 스쳐가는 바람일 뿐. 창밖엔 비가 또 눈치 없이 막 내려. 혼자 있고 싶어 그냥 꺼져버려. Why are you making it harder? 미안 이거밖에 안 돼 내가 why?
I got to this.